Hey, how's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. I'm Enrique, and today we're going to go over a little bit about the most common mistake I see when people learn to draw hair. When they're first drawing it, it's super common, and I want to talk about just that mistake specifically. This isn't like a full-blown hair tutorial, but I just want to talk about that mistake I see everyone do. So let's just say you have two heads here. I will see people, especially when you start out, I will see people do the very typical thing, spaghetti-o hair. You know what I mean? Like you're drawing one strand at a time, and maybe they're trying to make like a larger kind of form with it, and so it ends up looking like a bunch of spaghettios. That's probably the most it's probably the most common mistake I've seen in all of drawing when it comes to hair, beginners. I see that spaghetti-o thing. It doesn't really look right, honestly. It looks pretty not formed well, so that is the biggest mistake. Don't make that mistake. Don't draw on spaghetti. So I want you to do is I want you to think in large forms, right? So think in big chunks. You got the front of the hair here, right? Let's just say you have that. Then you have the side. And then maybe you have whatever hairdo you got coming down, And let's just put like a neck on there. Let's put some dopey faces on here to understand what I'm talking about. And then when you find that large form, you cut into that large form. So hopefully that makes it a little bit more clear. That's the idea. That's not like I said, a full-blown tutorial, but I'm talking about the most common mistake I see over and over again, because you want the forms to read really well, and that's kind of the way it is in real life. It's pressed together in like a way that you see larger shapes as opposed to saying that. And then you can start breaking up all kinds of things. You start pulling hair out of this, like if it's messed up, or it has to conform to one large shape always. And then you can start getting as detailed as you want, with how much of the fine hairs that you want to pull out, or how much detail in the hair that you want to show. That's kind of up to you. Anyways, that's it, guys. I just wanted to talk about that mistake. This isn't a full-blown hair tutorial. If you want a full-blown hair tutorial, I have a full-blown hair tutorial on my Gumroad page. Gumroad is a website. I have a few different programs on there. I'm going to link that down below. Check that out whenever you have time. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. And if you have any questions, please comment below, and talk to you soon, man. See ya.